As you probably know, our team here at Hayes have for some time been planning the introduction of Hitachi major white goods into the UK. We made our first deliveries in the south of England, knowing that we had an excellent range of products, but aware that all elements of our marketing mix needed to be spot on to ensure our continued success. We had to get the advertising right, the dealer support right, the distribution right, and the after-sales service right, all in one area before we could offer the product nationally with confidence. Our experiences in the TVS television region have given us that confidence. Indeed, we have taken the advice of dealers in the south and rejigged some of our plans to produce an even stronger package. We have, for instance, amended some price points and decided to invest more heavily in demonstrators and local advertising. Our stylish high-capacity refrigeration products and our microchip-controlled washing machines have established a new premium market sector in the south. Now they're available to you. Please don't miss out on our great new profit opportunity.
Welcome to Hitachi. Welcome to one of the most significant developments in electrical retailing this decade. To a new name in a major market. A name which is recognizable worldwide and always associated with quality. Welcome to a new opportunity to expand your business, to broaden your customer profile, to create pride of ownership and satisfaction. Welcome to a white world. An area in which no other Japanese manufacturer has a presence in Europe. A world waiting for Hitachi and you.
Hitachi is a major world force in high-technology products. In 80 years, it has grown from a modest electrical repair business to be 7th in the Fortune 500 list of the world's top companies and one of Japan's most successful multinationals. Worldwide sales are almost $40 billion a year, and Hitachi employs directly more than 160,000 people. Its prowess in the fields of electronics and energy is renowned. It has developed the successful strategy of offering premium products at affordable prices and spread this across a vast variety of goods, from creative computer workstations to nuclear power stations, from X-ray machines to giant excavators with microchip control. Backing the strategy is a total commitment to research and development, which ensures future growth for Hitachi and for its dealers. This commitment is demonstrated by more than 52,000 patents held by Hitachi in Japan and other countries. Hitachi is acknowledged as a world leader in domestic electrical equipment, such as televisions, videos, microwave ovens, and vacuum cleaners. In the Far East, Hitachi is a major force in both refrigeration and home laundry products, and in Japan, it is a market leader in these sectors. The value of Hitachi's annual sales of white goods in Japan exceeds the combined sales revenue of Hotpoint and Zanussi in the UK. Now, Hitachi has brought its technological expertise in this area to the UK, and with typical thoroughness has run a test marketing exercise in the TVS area before launching its products nationally. Hitachi was sure the time was right to expand its already diverse business into the UK home laundry and refrigeration markets. The TVS experience was to test the UK consumers' reaction to a Japanese company offering goods in the major whites market, to see whether the consumer's expectation when buying Japanese quality, reliability, extra features, and style would apply in these new markets. Consumer expectations of Hitachi as a premium brand which epitomized the best of Japanese technology had to be checked also. This was a full-scale product launch with a major television campaign, radio and press advertising, and local support. It was pushing forward the technology of products in two important areas, bringing the benefits of microchip control to the home laundry market and offering a concentrated range of large-capacity refrigeration to a mass market for the first time. Hitachi had planned its entry into the white goods sector for some time, typically waiting until real product benefits could form a major part of the selling proposition. Hitachi wanted its retailers and the customers to have no regrets. The aim of the initial TVS area launch was to ensure that the marketing philosophy was based on accurate assumptions, and so extensive consumer research was carried out. Hitachi wanted to know the critical factors which led customers to choose their products, and equally important, if they were satisfied with their purchase and would recommend it to others. The results were extremely encouraging. We had the right mix of product. We maintained premium prices. We had promotional support, and now we're planning heavyweight promotions nationally. Hitachi had the advertising strategy correct, with noticeable sales and demand uplifts during the campaign. We had people walking into stores and asking for the product. We had the right service backup and the right distribution policy, but we intend to improve the home delivery service. Overall, Hitachi is confident that the consumer accepted the sales proposition, choosing Hitachi in preference to leading brands such as Hotpoint, Zanussi, Hoover, and Electrolux. And because we were offering a premium product, the retailers made money and have the prospect of substantial future business, as brand loyalty to Hitachi is renowned and was proved. Nearly half the purchasers already owned another Hitachi product, which is proof of the repeat business Hitachi sales generate. Why do we have brand loyalty? Because of our reputation and the quality of our products. Consumers' comments reinforced the research findings. The strong visual appeal of the refrigeration products brought comments like these. Because I like the looks. Because I wanted a machine with a really delicate wash program. I saw the advantages in microchip control instead of clumsy dials. And worth the extra cash. And the trade was equally impressed. Hitachi have brought us quick turnover and high margins, the best possible combination. Hitachi is a premium brand. It supports its dealers and brings in the right sort of customer. This is what appealed to them. Stylish large-capacity refrigeration products. 2 fridge freezers. A larder fridge. And an upright freezer, with many excellent design features. They have more capacity, more features, and higher specifications than most. Crisper bins and a vegetable basket. Lots of shelf mounting points. Space to take tall bottles. Safety lips on shelves. They reflect the need for large refrigeration capacity in the modern home as preservative-free foods become more popular. The use of bottled water increases, and everyone becomes more health and hygiene conscious. All these products have reversible doors. They're more efficient with built-in condensers, which means there are no pipes or other parts sticking out behind. And they fit flush to the kitchen wall. The home laundry range consists of 5 models: 3 auto washers, 1 washer-dryer, and 1 tumble dryer, all developed with complete microchip control. That brings several benefits, including simpler programming, better control of the cycles that make up each washing program, which makes possible the most delicate simulated hand wash program, extra reliability through microchip control, and of course, more efficient use of the electricity, the water, and the washing powder. They are attractively styled machines, designed to enhance a modern kitchen or laundry room, and easy to use, again in line with the modern family's way of life, where the washing machine is in everyday use. Hitachi refrigeration and home laundry products have enormous proven appeal to the modern family. They combine good looks with really valuable design features, and they carry Hitachi's reputation for quality goods. They offer a new opportunity for you, the retailer, to grow with Hitachi. Our commitment as we take Hitachi home laundry and refrigeration sales nationwide is to back you up with first-class service support, with improved distribution and home delivery, with more than £1 million per year spend on home laundry advertising on television and radio, making us the largest spending brand, and ensuring the average buyer should see our commercial over and over again. We're backing refrigeration with a colour press campaign which will keep brand awareness at a very high level throughout 1990. And we'll have a nationally coordinated cooperative advertising campaign to give you local support. We'll have mobile product display units, and we'll have a national team of demonstrators and an array of high-quality point-of-sale and support material to put across the plus points of our product to your customers. Hitachi is backing its commitment to home laundry and refrigeration with tremendous effort and expenditure. Your commitment to Hitachi will mean more business, more profit, more opportunity for repeat sales, and more customer satisfaction. Above all, no regrets.
Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. Car ma vie, car mes joies, aujourd'hui, ça commence avec toi.
You'll never regret buying Hitachi. Hitachi introduced one of the world's most advanced washing machine ranges, designed and developed with the makers of Ariel Automatic. Thanks to microchip technology, you can have complete confidence in a machine that's both easy to use and ensures superb washing results. Using Hitachi and Ariel Automatic, you can cope with everything, from mixed heavily soiled loads to the most delicate silks and woolens. You'll never regret buying Hitachi, especially with Ariel Automatic.